as a career, that is your bar, judge as a career, are they stepping into a wrong profession based on AI? Now that AI, Keshwanandan Bharti was a person who was really into, is there any new AI in the market? Is unemployment at its peak? Why is the rupee falling? And can the role of lawyers ever be replaced in Indian economy? Are the most searched topic of this week. Still, this particular question was among the top search thing that your Google provided. Now why? Why I have brought this question? Because my students are getting confused. Are they stepping into a wrong profession? Hello everybody, my name is Advocate Harsh Yotrani and your sir has brought you a complete study on why you should be continuing your law career or why should you choose your law career. Another evidence that I will give you that not just what everybody is doing, you have many options once you complete your law as a career. Now, the only thing that can be argued upon this is कि sir, AI खा जाएगा सर, कोडिंग तक AI खा गया है 5 मिनट के अंदर। अभी थोड़े दिन पहले कोई AI आया है जो कोड बना के दे देता है। सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स की भी बैंड बज रही है सर, तो क्या लॉयर की नहीं बजेगी? द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, द मेन arguable point that as an advocate I can give you is my Supreme Court's judgment. Recently, what happened in the Supreme Court? A lawyer drafted his petition based on AI. Now that AI put certain cases that were not real. The Supreme Court judge, being a judge who never used AI, being a person who was a person who went through lots of years of his reading, pointed out that particular thing in a snap of a minute. How? Yes, because he was a knowledgeable person and he didn't rely on any AI. It was the knowledge that won. The only career that is the recession proof career is your law, because I am telling you, this is to start anything you need a law, to end anything you need a law. Whether it is a marriage, to start a marriage you need a marriage certificate, to end up a marriage you need a divorce certificate. A company might start, if it fails you need the bankruptcy law. A company might start and it gets succeed, it will ask as you as a lawyer to bring up the IPO, to draft your M&As, to draft the contract employment. So in each and every step you need law as a career. Now sir, what are the careers that we can choose after we complete our 5 years course from a good NLU? Now, two things that come, sir, are these careers that we are choosing, will AI replace them? No. Let me tell you a truth. Yes, AI can make our part of life a bit easy, but AI cannot replace a lawyer. Me telling you this thing is, your drafting, your citing, all your paperwork can be completed through AI. You will do it in your college also. When you will get assignment, you will do each and everything with your AI. Mark my words. But what to do, how to do, what topic to include, what particular strategy to make your full assignment, it will be you who is giving up the prompt. So that 100% of work, 80% can be done through your AI, but 20% of that particular work needs to be done by you. And why not use AI? See, I know to do a smart work, you should never do it completely by yourself. You should start delegating them. This what happened in India too. What did they did? They did delegation. State formed, municipality is formed, CM was there, mayor was formed. See, work got delegated, work is fluently being done. Moving on to the most important part of our today's video, ki what options are there. Now, each and every video you see in your YouTube or any other place, or you ask any other person कि law तो कर लिया, अब क्या litigation करें? I know you know these things. क्या अब किसी corporate firm को join कर लेवे? I know you these things. But what if I tell you there are more options that you can choose? Now these more options can be at the place of your interest. You all have heard a name known, a case called as Keshravan Bharti. Keshwanandan Bharti was a person who was really into your environment. All his cases you will read in your environmental part as well, and some in the constitutional part. That particular person has an interest in environment, so there are strict environmental laws today. Some of you may have an interest in design. You can do a designer work. Some of you might have an interest in intellectual property rights. Yes, you can be a part of an intellectual property right firm. Some of you might be good into the medical because you have a science background. Yes, you can choose a course, you can choose a field where medical lawyers are required. Why I am telling you? Some of you might be a sportsman, sports law is an option. Some of you might be interested in the space law is an option. Climate and economical law I already talked about. Climate and environmental law I already talked about. Bio and generic for all the people who are into medical. Fashion for all the people who are following it, and sports and F1 who are interested in sport. So not just your law career as a litigator going into the courts, or law career as a person who is just going to sit in a cubicle and do his work. There are certain other opportunities in this particular market, and in the future, 5 years from now, who knows, you have 10 other things included in this. Moving ahead, see, I have sports law with you. Okay, I have your fashion law with you. I have your one question that is more important in your mind is what would you do? And this particular question comes to the best possible answer is your interest. You never do something that you don't like is my fundamental rule. And I am giving you this advice. If you like something from bottom of your heart, you should always go through doing that particular thing. Now, might be possible your parents say that this particular thing doesn't have a future, but law as a future, each and every one of your parents will agree, and why not include law with your passion? Moving ahead, sir, there is one question behind me. It is telling a boat is sinking. There are 10 people on a lifeboat designed for 6. If no one leaves, everybody drowns. If 4 people are pushed abroad, 6 survive. If you are the judge, do you convict the savior of the murder, or was there any action legal necessary? Me putting this slide was that me making you a particular point think that yes, you might be able to sit on a bench in future. I know there is a 3-year practice rule, but after that 3 years, you will be eligible to become a judge also. So bar and bench, we always hear bar and bench. I told you litigation as a career, that is your bar. Judge as a career, that is your bench. Moving ahead, the introduction, the necessity defense, it shows that the law often involves impossible choices where there is no happy ending, only just one. Once you will read all your law books, you will come to this particular judgment, and you will try to solve these things very logically. Moving ahead, one more thing, a question for you. Let me know in the comments what would you answer. A city park has a sign that say no vehicle in the park. Does the law apply to any ambulance responding to an emergency, a toddler on the plastic, tricycle, a motorcycle, wheelchair, a memorial statue of a tank? Do let me know in the comment section. One more thing, sir. You know we have watched a Netflix series known as Suits. In that Suits, we have seen, we are motivated. We have seen the courtroom reality. We have seen the speed of the case disposal. We have seen Mike Ross as the memory is greatest. We have seen the glamour, a 3-piece suits, a Lexus car on your doorstep. Yes, these things are there, and these things will take time. Now, frontier field of law. The 9 new, the cyber tech, data privacy and AI, space and aviation, maritime law, education law, animal, media and environment, immigration, sports and gaming. These are all the options that have now been included as the law as a career. Moving ahead, India's legal gold rush. Why I have put this particular slide in your PPT is your golden firms. The UK US firms have now established their offices in India and they need lawyers because the UK US runs through their lawyers and they will need lawyers in India as well. Digital India, the DPDP Act, that I am also a certified person. I have completed a course. I have included DPDP Act. 1% hiring area, cyber law demand plus 200%. I know you would have never heard. Me among all my alumni have that particular certificate. Last, every startup, they will need you as a lawyer to tell what are the risks. They will need you as a lawyer to draft each and every agreement. They will need you as a lawyer to advocate everywhere where they are being stamped. They will need you as a lawyer after they start their firm to make the contracts for your employees, and they will need you as an advocate to fire these advocates also. See, why I tell you that AI law, each and everything is a question that will come once you clear that particular law paper. Now, I have a result of 2022. Since 2022, CET 25 All India rank toppers, CLAT 2026 toppers, we have a structured number of students that believed in us and started preparing for CLAT, and they have final answer with them. They, yes sir, it was the best decision because the colleges we are in give us the best exposure. So, if you have any other question related to any kind of these mishappening, you can just contact us. हम लोग आप लोगों के लिए बैठे हुए हैं. There are two NLU alumni in our team, me and Rashi ma'am. You can comment below this section and ask us each and everything about your CLAT, how to start your preparation, what college should you aim. And one thing, see, lawyer of the past were living libraries. Lawyer of 2026 are the architect of the strategies. Yes, AI will help you. Yes, it will never replace you, but it will make you more stronger. So one thing that I wanted my students to know, that yes, AI can never replace you as a lawyer. And second thing, not just litigation, not just corporate, you have 100 other options that are already there in the market. So guys, thank you so much for to the student who gave us this idea ki sir, can you please make a video on this particular topic. If you need any video, any specified question being asked, you can comment below in the session part, in the contact section part, and you can comment there and we will see and we will reply. Plus, if you need a mentor for your CLAT paper, you have two alumni of NLU, Rashi ma'am and I. You can comment our name or you can fill the Google form and you will be able to contact us and we can guide you through your CLAT journey. All the best students. Don't hear what the market has to say. Don't worry. Let me tell you one thing. Your law as a career has no recession and you will be never face any particular question that what would you do once you complete law, because you have 1,000 options: fashion, sports, each and everything, climate, space technology. So many questions can be asked, so many answers to one particular question. And one thing, the last message to this video, the recession proof career, which I have already told you, this particular career is the recession proof career. Thank you so much guys. If you need any other information, do comment of the video, like this video, share it with your friends, and let me know if you have any doubt in your CLAT preparation journey. Just comment below and I will get in touch.